We can link the tasks in 4 ways: finish to start FS, start to start SS, finish to finish FF, start to finish SF. Now, let's look at the details of these link types. Finish to start. Finish to start link type is represented as FS, and this is one of the most common link types. This link explains that a task can only begin after its predecessor task is completed. We can explain this logic with a simple daily example. Let us assume that we decide to prepare coffee. First, we need to get a coffee cup, right? Then, we can fill the cup with hot water. At this point, getting the cup and pouring hot water into the cup are linked together with finish to start link type, since pouring the water task comes after getting the cup task. This link type can often be expressed as follows. Here, A and B letters in the boxes are the name of the tasks or activities. So, in our example, A will be the getting the mug task and B will be the pouring the water task. If you take a closer look, you can see that these two boxes are connected with an arrow. To understand the type of the link, the direction of the arrow is important. In finish to start link type, the arrow leaves the predecessor box from the right side and points the subsequent box from the left side. In Microsoft Project, we will see this type of link in 2 ways. Straight or curved shape of the arrow has no difference in terms of meaning. Both representations are finish to start type of links. Start to start. Start to start link type is abbreviated as SS. As in FS link type, this is also a common link type. If a task starts at the same time with another task, these two tasks are linked together with start to start. If we go back to our coffee example, we can heat the water while we are preparing the coffee cup. At this point, preparing the cup task and heating the water task are linked with start to start type or link. This link type is generally represented as follows. Here, the arrow between the two boxes starts from the left side of the first box and enters the left side of the second box. In our coffee example, A is heating the water task and B is preparing the cup task. In Microsoft Project, we will see this type of links like this. Each blue bar represents a task. We can change the colors and shapes of these bars. We will see how to do that in the following sections. Finish to finish. Finish to finish type of relationship is abbreviated as FF. If a certain task and another task are ending at the same time, these tasks have finish to finish link. If we go back to our coffee example again, let's assume that our objective is to prepare a coffee during a commercial break on television. Here, preparing the coffee task and end of the commercial break task will be linked with finish to finish. This link type can often be expressed like this. As you see, the arrow between these two boxes is leaving the first box from the right side and entering the subsequent box to the right side again. This type of link can be represented in Microsoft Project like this. Here, we can also change the colors and shapes of the bars. Yet, the default settings will show the link in this color and shape. Start to finish. Start to finish link type is not a common relationship type. You may never encounter this kind of link in a project with thousands of tasks. This type of link is used if a task will end when another task starts. This link is abbreviated as SF, can be represented like this. Here, the arrow between the two tasks are leaving the predecessor from left and entering the successor task from the right side. This type of link may be represented in MS Project like this.